Guess what's being delivered today? You guessed right if you said my outdoor L sectional from Outer. But first, let's go to the garden center. All right, so I'm going to grab the items that I came for and take them home, and I'll meet you back there. All right, y'all, these are the plants that I got. So I got 3 of these. I'm going to put these in my taller pots. Also got 1 of these because these are kind of roll out and they love full sun. So I'm going to put them out over by the pool area. I got like 12 of these. I've already planted some. I'll show you those in a minute. I get these every year, lantanas. That's what they're called. So they're really easy to grow. And I got my geraniums in the color orange, and this is like an orange and a yellow, so that's the color I'm going with. These are new for me. These are a different kind of begonia, so I'm going to probably put these in the little shaded area on the opposite side in my flower bed. Then I got 2 of these right here, and these are going to be really pretty. These are those super bells. And I love super bells because they do really good in pots and hanging baskets. So I got those. Only got 1 of these chrysandras. That's what they're called, chrysandra. And they like full sun. Of course, the geraniums. I think I got like 7 geraniums. I bought some the other day. Got these snapdragons, really pretty. Got 1 begonia. I have a small shaded area I'm going to put it at. And then I did get 1 of these. I think they're called coleus. Yeah, coleus in this pretty orangey green looking color. And then got 2 of these. I already put them in this planter, and I'm going to put some flowers in there with them. This one it's a palm, but it's a different kind of palm. And the nickname for this palm tree is called a cat palm. I did not want to mess up the name. Oh, but that's what it's called. So as you can see, it started turning yellow. I hadn't planted them and I wasn't watering them. So I went ahead and put them in a pot, a larger pot, and I'm going to water them really good. So I got 2 of those, and we're going to redo this whole flower bed. Of course, you see it's still leaves, so we got to clean all of that out real good. Pressure wash back here. I got these in yellow and these in white. That's another white lantana, and this one is called Allison. So those are pretty. I think those look really good in a pot. And then we have a Majesty palm. I got that one from Home Depot. And then we have this huge palm I got from Lowe's. It was like $45. So we got that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning out this flower bed. This was a DIY project we did ourselves. There was no flower bed here, and we created this one right before we had our concrete poured. So when we had the concrete added, we just had them go with the design or layout that we did ourselves. Will say the one thing that I didn't do and I should have is seal these pavers. So the next time we have the pavers done, we're going to make sure we seal them just so the dirt won't absorb into the pavers and stain them like you see here. I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning this area up off camera, and then we're going to move over to the covered part of the patio. I'm just sweeping off the old rug so we can roll it up and put it in the shed for storage. I'm going to go ahead and clean this area off so we can put our new rug down and put our new furniture from Outer back in place. Outer creates durable and eco-conscious outdoor furniture designed to help people live better outside. They completely reimagine the outdoor living experience from the ground up. The blue that you see underneath the sofa is powder-coated alloy wrapped with their all-weather wicker frame, which is made from recycled bottles. They plant loads of trees to fight deforestation. They're climate neutral certified, and every product is fully recyclable. How amazing is that? Outer is made from the best materials. Their patented outer shell fabric is UV protected and stain resistant, so it keeps things looking brand new for up to 10 years. Plus, the all-weather wicker and the rust-proof legs make them the most durable outdoor furniture brand. Plus, it's extremely comfortable too. If you're looking to live better outside, look no further than Outer. People love Outer. They make the most durable, eco-conscious outdoor furniture, and they're an amazing brand that actually gives back to the environment. So don't wait, get $200 off and free shipping by going to liveouter.com/Sharita. That's liveouter.com/Sharita, so they'll know that I sent you. One of their recent collections sold out in 24 hours, so trust me, you don't want to miss this deal. Thanks, Outer, for sponsoring today's video. All right, so let's go ahead and finish decorating this outdoor area, and I want to show you how nice this outer sofa flows with my space. All right, y'all, we are in the backyard and I'm going to show you a little bit of what we've been working on. So let's see it. All right, so over here on the little side table, I do have artificial plants. Y'all didn't know that, honey. But yeah, they're not real. And then I'm using that vase for now. And this is a bug light. My husband ordered that from Amazon. I decided to put, he was going to put it out by the pool, but I'm going to use one over here where the ladies tend to hang out. And yeah, this is how everything has come together so far. So we still need to do the little area over by the kitchen and over by the pool. This little area here is our focus for now. So I do like the way all of this has really turned out. So here we go. Over here on the pergola, it's still a little green from the pollen, and we are going to paint it this weekend, as well as paint the metal rods. That was an outdoor project we did last year for our outdoor curtains. We had the beige ones. We left them up year round and they did really good. The only reason we changed them is because we wanted a different color, and they came from K Gorge. And we love them so well, we partnered with them again this year, and we got the gray ones. We have a total of 12. We have 4 here on this side, 2 here, and my husband purchased these tie backs from Amazon. He thought they were a little darker, but this gray works. It looks a little darker online, but they still work. The beige ones did not work with the gray. And we have 6 over here. So we got 4 here and 2 here, and when we pull them all the way open, it does cover the entire space. And the same thing here. Now, we used to just let the 2 hang on one side and 2 hang over on this side, but we decided to just pull all 4 of them back. All right, so here is the finished look. I really like the way this L-shaped sofa from Outer really fits our space. It's perfect for our lifestyle. It's perfect for the area. And I really do love the way the outer shell protects the furniture. And here's some more footage of the area. I hope you enjoy it. All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of this video, so I'm going to close it out with a nighttime view of the space. So thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Don't forget to use my link, which is found in the description, to save $200 off your purchase plus free shipping. Thanks, Outer, for sponsoring today's video. Have a great day.